problem was never the idea. The problem was always the workflow. I had to write text in one place, research in another, create images somewhere else, and manually stitch everything together. Every time I switched tabs, I lost focus. This changed completely when I started using a tool called Muset. Muset is what they called a creative engine, a new category designed for something called vibe creating. It means your idea moves in one continuous flow, from thought to text, then to image, and very soon to video, all inside one workspace. And at the center of this creative flow, there is a partner, Mu. Muset is a true creative engine, a system built to guide your creativity from idea to final output. That's why its slogan fits perfectly, Muset, a creative engine where imagination comes alive. Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. When you open Muset, you land in the workspace, where every project, page, draft, and reference lives. Each project has a canvas for writing and a chat where you talk to Mu. Unlike other AI tools, Mu doesn't forget what you wrote in previous messages. Mu understands your entire workspace and the structure of your project. Let me show you how this actually works. I start by creating a page for a real project. For example, like a growth strategies on YouTube. I write a short introduction, then ask Mu, expand this into a full outline with main sections. Mu reads the text and builds a structured outline directly inside the page. No copy and paste needed. Next I say, turn this outline into a long article, friendly but professional. The article appears section by section. If I need edits, I highlight a paragraph and ask for a clearer or shorter version. Everything happens inside the same page. Now let's see images. When the article is ready, I simply say, create supporting images for this page. Muset reads the entire page and generates visuals that match the message of each section, not random images like other tools. The page itself is the prompt. If I want adjustments, I open an image and request changes like make the background a studio, make it more cinematic, or turn the character into a female creator. Muset edits the visual without starting from scratch, and it automatically chooses the best model like Nano Banana. If I want real-world references, I just type search for relevant reference images. Muset pulls real images from the internet based on my content. You can also upload your own images, thumbnails, product photos, anything, and ask Momo to refine or modify them while keeping the layout intact. And soon Muset will support full video creation. Not short clips, but full narrative videos several minutes long. This feature is now in private beta, and I'm already testing it. This means the entire pipeline, from idea to text, then to image, and finally to video, becomes one unified process. Now let's talk about Muset's most powerful capability, workspace-level intelligence. Most tools only see the current document. Muset sees your entire workspace. If I want to replace every 2024 in the page, I say, replace 2024 with 2025 in this page. Muset updates all instances instantly. If I change an important detail in chapter 4 of a book and say, sync the other chapters with this update, Muset identifies which pages are related and updates them automatically. Unrelated pages remain untouched. Another example, if I have an English marketing page and want 4 translations, I say, translate this into 4 languages and place each version in a subpage. Muset creates and organizes all pages in seconds. When it comes to writing style, Muset supports long-term consistency. You can upload several files so Mu learns your tone or create a dedicated style page. From then on, everything Momo writes sounds like you, not generic AI text. And if you don't know how to start, Muset includes a blank page killer, type one word, or nothing. And Mu offers multiple starting paths based on your project. Inside the chat, you can reference any page using @t. For example, line, find all content related to AI productivity in my workspace and use it. Muset scans everything and pulls the best relevant parts. For creators and marketers, Muset has a multi-platform creator. You can ask for TikTok trends on a topic, analyze an X account, or discover content gaps in a niche. All results are cleanly structured. For example, asking for trending TikTok topics in AI tools gives you posts, hashtags, formats, and audience behavior instantly. Muset also includes full SEO intelligence, powered by SEMrush. Say, I want a content strategy for freelancer productivity tools that can rank. Muset analyzes keywords, difficulty, search intent, and competitor content. Then, after writing your draft, you can ask for SEO analysis, and it highlights weaknesses and ranking opportunities. Everything, writing, images, structure, research, SEO, happens inside one unified workspace. Once I'm satisfied, I apply all changes and export the final document in any format I want. If you want to try Muset yourself, use the link in the description. With sign up, register now and use his exclusive code to enjoy a 10% discount immediately. For direct contact with the team, feature requests, or early updates, you can join the official Muset Discord through the link. If your workflow is scattered across multiple tools and you want a true creative engine that thinks with you, organizes everything, writes in your voice, and generates visuals based on your content, Muset is absolutely worth trying. Links, invite code, and Discord are all available in the description and pinned comment. If this video helped you discover something new, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools. Until the next video, my digital friend,